Kachumbari is a salad made from fresh tomatoes and onions, and it's very popular throughout East Africa. Here in Kenya, you can include or serve kachumbari with street food, nyama choma, and pilau. And trust me, it's very delicious. To get started, you're going to wash your tomatoes and coriander. Make sure everything is clean. Next, you're going to peel your onions ready for chopping. Today, I'll be showing you a chopping board hack. Whenever you're chopping your vegetables and the chopping board is moving around, you're going to pick a wet kitchen towel and place on your countertop, just like that, and place your chopping board on top. This is going to make the chopping board not to move around so much. You're going to get started by chopping up your onions. So I'm going to slice my onion in half and into strips, just like this. Transfer the onions to a bowl. You're going to pick your tomatoes and cut into strips. Next, you're going to dice the tomatoes just like I'm showing you. Once done, you're going to transfer your tomatoes to a bowl. Next, you're going to pick your coriander. Cut off the stems and fold the leaves in half and finely chop your coriander. Transfer the coriander to your bowl as well. I have 2 chilies over here and they are quite optional. So first of all, I'm going to remove the stem. And then I'm going to chop the chilies finely. You can choose to remove the seeds if you don't like your kachumbari very hot, or you can chop with the seeds. Next, I'm going to pick a lemon and using the palm of my hands, I'm going to roll a little bit. Rolling the lemon on the chopping board is going to make the lemon very juicy. So I'm going to chop my lemon in half. Using a lemon squeezer, I'm going to place my lemon on the inside and press the juice over the kachumbari. I'm going to be using half a lemon. You're going to add in salt enough to season your kachumbari. Next, I'm going to use a spoon and mix everything together. Just look at the nice colors. We have magenta, some reds, greens from the coriander, and also some very vibrant red color from the chili. The lemon is going to bring out all the nice flavors, and also it's going to add some tartness to the kachumbari, making it very delicious. So this is how we make kachumbari here in Kenya, and the chili and lemon are optional, but I would recommend you trying out with some chili and lemon. You can store the kachumbari in the fridge before serving, just to chill a little bit, and everyone is going to enjoy. So I hope you'll be trying out this Kenyan style kachumbari.